Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and use the water widget on the ladder application. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and select the theme we want to be a part of. Right here in the bottom right corner, open up the theme section and filter out the themes to find which one suits you the most. So once you've selected your theme, we can get started following its workouts right here on the main page, and now we can get started using the water widget. So to use the water widget on the ladder application, you want to ensure you have updated to the version 4.6.0 or higher of this application, and this is the version of application that has implemented widgets. Now you're going to go ahead and be able to quickly log your water intake and fill your bottle style visual progress bar on your phone's home screen by going to your home screen of your phone, long pressing on the home screen and clicking this edit button in the upper left corner. That's going to go ahead and enable you to get started with adding widgets. So as you can see, you have the add widget option. This is going to enable you to select what widget you want to add. So select the ladder application. It's going to enable you to choose your widget, select the water widget, and it's going to be successfully added to your home page. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.